Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best glucometers is probably one of the most important tools for managing diabetes, providing you with the power to monitor your blood sugar levels effectively and make informed decisions about your health. Choosing the right glucometer can significantly impact your diabetes management, ensuring accurate readings and a seamless integration into your daily routine. This video will guide you through the top glucometers on the market, helping you find the perfect fit for your needs and lifestyle. Number 5. AUVON DSW Blood Glucose Monitor. It provides accurate blood glucose readings, exceeding international standards for precision. You can trust it to give you the information you need to manage your health. This kit is designed for simple operation. No coding is required. It's portable and includes everything you need for testing. They use advanced technology for consistent, accurate results. The cost-effective strips ensure affordable ongoing testing. It automatically stores your test results with dates and times, allowing you to monitor your blood sugar levels and identify trends. It also calculates your average readings. The kit comes with everything you need, including the meter, strips, lancets, and lancing device. We also offer lifetime warranty and customer support. Ensure you apply enough blood to the test strip for accurate readings. Watch our instructional videos for optimal results and contact our customer support if you have any questions. What we like? It boasts cutting-edge technology ensuring highly accurate readings. The cost-effective test strips won't break the bank. If you're on a budget but need a reliable and comprehensive kit, this is the one for you. What people say. The device is easy to use and gives results quickly. The display is clear and simple to read, which makes the whole process a lot less stressful. I decided to give this blood glucose meter 5 stars instead of 4 stars after realizing the meter is accurate in giving the ballpark ranges that it was designed to give. Seems to work accurate. I tried it and compared it to another tester and they were both same reading. Test strips are a little more affordable too. Number 4. CareSens and Blood Glucose Monitor Kit. It's a convenient and affordable blood glucose testing kit. Everything you need is included: meter, test strips, lancets, and a carrying case. You'll have enough supplies for many tests. It only needs a tiny blood sample, just 0.5 ml. This makes testing easier and less painful. The test strips are auto-coded for easy use. Get your results in just 5 seconds. It's quick and convenient, whether you're at home or on the go. The carrying case makes it easy to take with you. It's designed to be simple and easy for everyone. The straightforward design makes testing hassle-free. You'll be able to use it with ease. We're here to help. Our dedicated customer service team is ready to assist you with any questions or concerns. Your satisfaction is our top priority. This kit provides enough supplies for up to 250 tests, and the meter's battery lasts for 1,000 tests. It's a cost-effective and long-lasting solution for managing your diabetes. What we like? It requires a tiny blood sample, making testing quick and painless. Results are ready in just 5 seconds. If you value speed, convenience, and a simple testing process, this glucometer is perfect for you. What people say. Works perfectly. Fast and accurate. Everything you need. I compared results with data from 2 other sources. CareSens is accurate and works quickly. After observing my family member use the glucose monitor kit for 2 months, I can confidently say that it has been a great tool for them. From the beginning, they mentioned that the device was very easy to set up and use. Its intuitive design and clear manual made the process straightforward. One of the features they value the most is the speed with which it provides results. In just 5 seconds, they have their reading ready. This is something they greatly appreciate, especially on busy days. Additionally, the small blood sample required makes the testing process more comfortable and quicker. The kit includes everything needed. This has made it easy for them to keep everything organized and ready to take anywhere. Also, the battery has excellent performance. After 2 months of regular use, they haven't needed to replace it. Number 3. Ascensia Contour Next Kit. This all-in-one kit has everything you need to start managing your diabetes effectively. It includes a glucose meter, test strips, and all the accessories for convenient testing. It provides accurate blood glucose readings, helping you stay within your target range. You'll also get helpful summaries of your test results. Testing is quick and easy with a 5-second countdown. It also tracks your blood glucose levels over 7, 14, and 30 days. It features second chance sampling, allowing you to add more blood within 30 seconds. This helps prevent wasting test strips and saves you money. It's designed for simplicity, there's no coding needed. Get easy-to-read results in seconds, eliminating potential errors. The kit comes with everything you need: meter, test strips, lancing device, lancets, logbook, carrying case, and more. Everything is ready to go right out of the box. What we like? This device is known for its reliable accuracy, helping you manage your diabetes effectively. Get results in just 5 seconds. If you appreciate accuracy and the ability to reuse a test strip, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This is made in Japan. Japan-made products are always of the highest quality. The batteries were included. The quick start guide was easy. Simply take your time to read through it to set date, time, etc. Once you slip the test strip in the unit automatically turns on. The unit gives you the opportunity to identify if you are fasting, before meal, or after meal, or none, for each test. This is an incredibly user-friendly glucose monitor. It is also very accurate, similar readings to what I get at the lab. Insert then test strip into the monitor to turn it on, and put the test strip against the drop of blood on your finger to take the sample. The blood gets sucked up into the test strips window automatically. The test strips for this glucose monitor are affordable, so are the lancets. First of all, the meter is extremely easy to set up. It comes with everything you need to get started. I used this right away and did 2 tests which were within 1 point, and I knew the reading was correct based on the symptoms I began to have. This meter also only requires a small amount of blood. Number 2. CareSens and Feliz Blood Glucose Kit. It's a complete kit including a meter, test strips, lancing device, lancets, control solution, and a travel case. Everything you need for convenient blood sugar testing is included. It meets ISO 15197 accuracy standards. You can trust it to give you reliable readings. It only needs a tiny 0.5 ml blood sample. This makes testing quick and painless. Get your results in just 5 seconds. It's fast and easy to use, wherever you are. It has a simple design and is easy to use. Blood sugar testing doesn't have to be complicated. We have a dedicated customer service team ready to help. Your satisfaction is our top priority. What we like? It's a comprehensive kit with everything you need to get started. It meets ISO accuracy standards, providing reliable results. If you need a complete, accurate, and easy-to-use kit, this is a great option. What people say. This meter says it is within the ISO standards of plus 15%. My husband took it to his medical appointment and they were happy to compare it to their medical grade meter. On the medical meter his fasting number was 89. On this meter it was 98. That's 9 points difference. Since this was in the acceptable plus 15% allowed, it was fine. Reliable and couldn't be easier to use. No test strip codes to worry about, unit is self-calibrating. Remembers past test results. It comes with all that you need and is easy to use. Number 1. FORA Pro Voice V9 Kit. Managing your diabetes just got easier. This kit provides accurate readings and features a talking glucometer for convenient results in English or Spanish. It features a painless lancing device and allows for alternative site testing, making blood glucose monitoring more comfortable. No extra coding is needed. It's designed for simple and quick setup, so you can start monitoring your blood glucose right away. It conveniently stores up to 450 test results with date and time, helping you track your progress effectively. The interface is quick and easy to navigate, showing you all your test results and relevant information at a glance. It calculates your daily average measurements over various periods, from 7 to 90 days, with the simple press of a button. The kit includes everything you need: meter, 100 test strips, 100 lancets, lancing device, and a convenient carry case. It's ready to use. What we like? It offers audible results in multiple languages, making it incredibly user-friendly. The lancing device is designed for minimal discomfort. If you need an accessible and convenient device with ample storage for your results, this is ideal. What people say. It uses a very small amount of blood. I can't say whether that's common now or not, but the old machines I had, even though I had some that required the least amount of blood, required much more than this. It seems to also be consistent. I've gotten within 1 or 2 of the same meter readings several mornings in a row. The audio function is great for visually impaired. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.